Dubstyle isn't getting noticed fast enough.
Hardstyle FTW, dubstep FTW, dubstyle FTW. Fuck the music they play on the radios. The wannabe electro produces. Shitty ass music doesn't even wanna make me dance. It just makes me laugh because even I could make a better beat on FL Studio. I hope a monkey takes a shit in your mouth.
Dub's just an easier way to say it. It's easier to say dub than dubstep. I like dubstep, I like drum and bass, I like hardstyle, but I love gabba.
Metalia sounds like a pub at night. A load of cunts shouting.
Fucking great sound.
I like dub, I like dubstep, I like dubstyle, I love reggae. Just saying.
There is nothing reggae here.
MF has always stood for motherfucker. Dumbass.
Music is about what suits the listener, not the genre it's in. If you like the song, cool. If you don't, cool. Or GTFO if you don't like it. Simple as that.
Piece of shit. Prodigy and Layman slow HS beat. WTF. Gabba, hardstyle, N hardcore forever. This is for puppies. Magic people, voodoo people. The voodoo, who do what you don't dare do people. Voodoo.
No shit, Sherlock, it's dubstyle. That is the most ignorant comment I have ever read.
Ha ha, niggas said go to UK, ha 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 ha, bitch Mac Dre listen to the time from the crest, bitch, ha 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 ha, don't get shot, motherfucker.
Dubstep, hardstyle, dubstyle. It's frustrating, isn't it?
Jumping is the most gay thing in the world and hardstyle turns into shit. So yes, they got the point of perfection and ruined it. This is almost okay. I talk about other shit, so it's hard trance, electro, dubstep, DnB and other things who are great. Not this too. So go suck the dick of some ugly nerds who think shuffling means to stomp onto the ground. Most hard shufflers I saw in the last month are gay as jumpers. Won't take long to lose them all. Ha ha, I'm guessing you live in a trailer park under a freeway. Try leaving redneck country for a little while. Better yet, leave America, there's even more coexisting. I'm black and one of my very closest friends is white.
LOL, I am Asian, dumb shit. Try not assuming, yeah. And my parents are doctors, so pretty much no trailer park before or later in my life. If you can't take jokes, please learn. Comedy is a very fun thing. I really didn't think I'd like the idea of dubstep infiltrating hardstyle, but it really brings an incredible element without being overly done with the dubstep. I love this. Incredible tune.
Hope you're joking, bro.
The sweetest shit I've ever heard. Banging my head to the sick-ass shit my ears are consuming. Dancing and jumping like a madman.
Seriously, what the fuck is this chav shit?
That's an acid synth.
Shit plus shit equals shit.
Now this is what I call perfection.
I like how you have to watch porn, and I have a girlfriend. LOL. Go away.
Piss off and go play your video games, fucking virgin.
Does anyone know a site where you can see the newest hardstyle songs?
Anyone know of a good dubstyle song as good as this? Thanks for the info.
I think dubstyle should have more dubstep elements, since it is mostly hardstyle stuff. Like when it drops, it has the hardstyle kick, then it switches to wobbles and it randomly shifts throughout the song. And don't hate on me, I'm a hardstyle fan.
This made my eyebrows twitch and I am being serious.
Important message. The hardstyle militia will be attacking Justin Bieber's Baby Vide, September the 1st. Remember to dislike, comment and flag the Vide. We need your help to destroy this talentless shitty pop music that rules the world. Copy and paste this on good videos, that is Headhunters, Wild Stellace, The Prophet, DBSTF, Brennan Hart, Noise Controllers, David Sonar, Techno Boy, Show TK, Zane, Max Enforcer, Hardstyle Masters. We need to stop this mainstream kid from taking over the world.
This might be the greatest dubstyle. Until I find a new favorite 2 days later.
Magic people, voodoo people.